The 2025 Honda Pilot's infotainment system can sometimes experience glitches. Resetting it is a simple solution for issues like Bluetooth pairing failures or screen lag. There are three main types of resets: a soft reboot for minor glitches, a hard reset for freezing, and a factory reset for persistent problems like Bluetooth issues or after major software updates. Software updates address many issues, but knowing how to reset is crucial. To perform a soft reboot, hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 seconds until the screen restarts. For a hard reset, turn off the ignition, remove the key fob, wait 5 minutes, and restart. If the screen is unresponsive, hold the engine start button for 3 seconds. To factory reset, go to Settings, System Factory Data Reset, Confirm. Note that this will erase all personal data. For Bluetooth fixes, try forgetting the device in Settings, Phone, Bluetooth, Forget Device, then Repair. A factory reset is also an option for persistent Bluetooth issues. Remember to keep your system updated via OTA updates to minimize future problems.